Good morning, students. So today online class we have started the question answers of the God of River, and I'm repeating it for you once again. That is, number one is, what was Ramesh's daily routine? Ramesh collected the garbage daily and threw it into the river. How did the God of Water look? The God of Water looked very sad. Next, why was the god of water sad? The god of water was sad because all the villagers, students, there is a spelling mistake over here, so I had made it correct and written in the above. You can see here it is THREW. So the answer will be the god of water was sad because all the villagers threw the garbage into the river. A person who drinks, what might happen? The next question is question number 4. What might happen to a person who drinks dirty water? A person who drinks dirty water may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. So after this question answer, we will start the rest of the exercises. They are here. So 3 in A5, what we have to do, you can see there are several words written in different numbers, and we have to find out 3-letter word hidden in all the words below. So we will do it right now. I will underline the words, and you will just do it in your English book or copy. So the first word is farmer. So you can see here arm. 3-letter word is arm. Golden, old. Star, dark. Village, age. Water, age. Instead, tea. Flowers, blue. Ears, ear. So after that, about, out. Disease, see. So in this way, this exercise must be done. And then now comes to A6. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box below. So what we have to do, we have to take help from the help box and then fill the words into the fill the blanks with the appropriate word. So dust and smoke pollute the air. I can carry the suitcase myself. Please don't bother. Mother said that she wanted to give me a surprise. Your socks are dirty and smelly. Why don't you change them? You should take juice instead of Coke or Pepsi. It was dark outside, but the child did not feel scared. Now, students, about the life skill question of A7. How do we all knowingly or unknowingly contribute to water pollution? How can children help in curbing water pollution? Now the question is that intentionally or unintentionally, all the human beings are participating in making the water polluted. So now what we have to do? First, you just attempt this question yourself. Then I will help you with the answers in the evening. So now that's number 8. The teacher solves Ramesh's problem by suggesting to him to correct way of garbage disposal. Ramesh recollects the instructions to convey them to his father. Help him in doing so. Dig a pit outside of the house, put a garbage into the pit, cover the pit with leaves, leave it for a few days. The garbage will turn into manure, manure. Now use the manure in the fields. Use the manure in the fields. These were the ways, the suggestions which was given to Ramesh, and Ramesh has to convey to his father. So you are going to do it in your English copy, and some of small questions of this chapter I will share it in the group. So you have to write it in your English copy and learn it for your coming online Sunday test.